Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Z James. This is Z32 Workshop, and this beside me is my block from my 1993 Nissan 300ZX, a VG30DE, that I've been slowly disassembling. I don't know what video this is. Last one we took the driver's side head off. We're going to do the passenger side. And I'm going to take out some other little accessories in the valley in between. Let me show you what I've got going on so far. From the last video, I have not really done anything other than set this up to rotate. I did clean out the valley here, and if anyone saw the gunk that was in here, wow, I didn't think this thing had a problem, but it really did with a lot of stuff. No wonder these pipes corrode, and the blocks can have problems, I think. I just know that if you get a bunch of stuff in here, these like frost plugs and stuff can really turn into an issue where you can rot them out. This is just the coolant passage from the front. So you get the water pump here, you get the thermostat right there. That comes out for the bypass, and this kicks all the way to the back. I'm trying to save this pipe. I want to use it on my other, my turbo motor, so I need to undo these bolts here. This guy. And I think that's probably it. I think this pipe should remove itself. This housing here, which is not part of the block, I don't think I can get that out without taking the head off. The head, just like last time, is going to have 8 main bolts that are Allen keyed right here. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The issue with them is you want to not warp the head, so you do a star pattern in reverse order. So you start on the outside, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, you star it out so it relieves the head. Do not forget, because I didn't realize it, like this side had a little 10mm up front. This one has a 10mm in back. I'm also going to remove the Vano solenoid here. That is, well, that's a ground. But the solenoid here, it's 2 10mm pop off. This is kind of trash. Got cut and extended for the other stuff. So that's all this really is on this side. And then this head will pop right off, and then I can get this valley off. Or get this housing for the thermostat that comes out of the block. So we're going to go in a time warp again, so I don't really want to bore you with everything. So, sorry about that. 3, 2, 1. Time warp. Boom, off time warp. You probably saw me fighting the entire time getting the head to pop off. Weird. Only one peg? That's odd. Anyway. So, this cylinder 1, is not real nice. I'm gonna get my flashlight here. I'm gonna vacuum that out. That is definitely needs to be redone. Ring is, I mean, walls are good. It's just debris fell down when I popped the head off. You can see there was an issue here because look how clean that piston is up against the wall there. My guess is that's where the issue is on part of this. I mean, I know she's got a problem, but I'm gonna vacuum this out, pop the head gasket off, clean it up, and get this other pipe out of the way, which should be, I'm guessing 12 millimeter there, and or 10 or 12 for both those to get those out. I had to get this. I got this off just so I get some more room to pry and help on the head. And then now I'm gonna do this real fast. So let me get you back timer up real fast just to deal with that. Okay. So 3, 2, 1. Woo, woo, woo. Boom, off time warp. Sorry about the fan noise, it's warm in the garage. So that was the coolant transfer pipe and all that. A couple things to note. These are gasketed, liquid gasketed on for both those, for the housing here, thermostat housing, and this. As you can see, that's got a little surface rust. I'm gonna hit up the wire wheel, clean it up, probably paint it in some fashion before I put on my other motor. The other things to denote is, man, these passages were plugged up. It looks like this dowel pin from this side came out with the head. I don't think that's supposed to happen. As you look over the head over here, that came with it. I don't think that's supposed to do that, to be honest with you. Like I said, this is an R30P R4 head. It's an NA head. Early style, if I'm saying it properly. And other things to note, I denoted it on this one. I didn't see it. On driver's side, this head stud, or the stud, head bolt is shorter. Let me show you. And it's opposite. These are laid out like this is the front of the car. So you see all these head bolts right here? These are all the same except for this guy, which is this opposite front one right here, which is the mirror of that guy. It is probably to do something with inside the head being deeper than the rest. I'm trying to actually see that. That'd be like that corner. And then this guy, I don't know, they were shorter. I'm just pointing it out to people so when they do this they can see it. So this guy is a short guy. Don't forget the washers on these. Here's the little itty bitty bolts, 10 millimeters on the transfer pipe. Thermostat housing is 12. And yeah, that should do it for this video, guys. I know it's super short, hopefully. Only a little bit of time. I'm trying to make, I won't say smaller videos, but more digestible stuff, not the hours-long stuff sometimes. I might do that on the other vehicles, on wrenching on it, but I'm trying to get this taken care of, and that's what we're doing here. So if you guys have any comments or questions, please hit me up. Please like and subscribe, a little bit helps. You know, I'm over not quite 1,300 viewers at the moment for doing stuff. So I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye, guys.